SofaBaton sent this X1 smart remote for our review, and we're very excited to show it to you. Listen, you are going to be impressed. First off, let's look at the actual unit itself. Look at this beautiful remote right here. Huge screen where you can control and see what devices you're controlling. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a really nice, satisfying, clickable scrolling button right here. Super easy. The other cool thing about this is that it is USB-C rechargeable, so no more pesky little batteries. And speaking of USB, of course, they supply you with the USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A. But what for? For the actual infrared receptor, right? This little thing can be hidden anywhere. And what I mean by anywhere is that because this thing is going to be kind of the receptor for all your infrared needs. What kind of infrared needs? Let me show you. They also provide you with these little infrared, and you'll see them right there. That right here is the infrared receptor. So you can have your remote not even pointing at the right spot, or if there's things hiding your infrared receptors on your TV or on your audio machine or on your gaming console. If you want to have that little receiver just being able to show, and of course it's not super big, and this will connect straight into the inputs right here. You've got one and you've got two more, so you've got multiple ones. So depending on where you are pointing that remote, you'll never miss that click of a button. Pretty cool. The other big upgrade from other universal remotes is this thing can control not 10, not 20, not even 30 different devices. It can go up to 60 different devices. That's 6 with a 0. That's impressive. It can do infrared like we discussed, but it can also do Bluetooth. So if you've got a Bluetooth device, you can control it. If you've got a different infrared device, doesn't have to be a monitor or a TV or even a direct TV box or an Apple TV. It can be a fan, it could be an AC. Anything that emits an infrared or a Bluetooth signal, you can control with it. And the other big difference as well is that it is controlled by an app. And what I mean by control is that if there are updates, if there are new devices out there, the app will get all of that information from the web and be able to update your remote with the proper codes, with the proper signals, with the proper everything, so you can control almost 500,000 different devices around the world. That's wild. Oh yeah, and when everything is set up, you can actually control your TV with your Alexa or with your Google Assistant. That's incredible, and that's all in this one package. We are extremely impressed with all of the SofaBaton different universal remote, but this X1 remote blows all of them away.